wall of cats. Romeo and Juliet had much to overcome. Samson and Delilah had a barber who's a bum. Every relationship has things it needs to face, but we've got 5 obstructions, see, over at our place. And my lover and me can hardly see across the wall of cats, of cats, of cats. We have this giant bed, you see, an altar for my babe and me. And we'd love to lie and while the day and spend our evenings wrapped in play. But there's a living wall of fur to reach through, for I can't touch her beyond the wall of cats, of cats, of cats. We have 5 felines, our kids, you see, and they're furry and cuddly and happy as can be. But they've found the warmest place to sleep requires that I have to leap to find my Shakti hidden there in jammies, or just maybe there behind the wall of cats, of cats, of cats. They're all great cats, it's easy to see. Carlos, Dakota, Leela, Persa, and Pele. And they love us dearly, we love them too. But what are romantic folks to do? I don't think that we ask for much for them to move so we could touch around the wall of cats, of cats, of cats, of cats. Sometimes at night I will reach out to ruffle your wild hair, but there is always tooth or claw or hairball lying there. I'd love to touch your trembling lips or feel the heat of skin and warm the cockles of your heart if they would let me in. And maybe I'd take a chance and try and just get lucky, because you see, my DNA is yearning for you, ducky. Beyond the wall of cats, cats, cats. Sometimes the roar of purring reaches a heightened pitch. I could even stand the tail wops if it wasn't for one hitch. I know my sweetheart's lying there. She's staring at the ceiling. And maybe if a dog would bark, I'd send her head a-reeling. Or if I tossed a catnip toy somewhere upon the floor, I might just get a smooch, you see, or maybe something more, without the wall of cats, of cats, of cats. I'm not looking for sympathy. We've got it made, it's clear to see. We found the big love, a family too. Though I'm taking suggestions on what you might do. But honestly, see, I can say, oh yes, my friend, I really can. I've got more pussies at my house than any living